Google Classroom natin or sa Google Drive natin naman after everything. Okay? So, ano pa ba? Occasionally throughout the session, I might ask you to take a picture of what you've been working on so that we can show everyone, no, and we'll learn from each other. Okay? Sige, that's all. Okay, let's start. Are you ready na, guys? Okay, sige. Let's go. Last na lang. Naintindihan ba ako or putol-putol ba ako? Hindi naman. Okay, sige. Okay. Um, huwag kayo mahiyang magsalita, okay? Like, you can unmute naman if you want. It's fine, ha? Okay. Sige, let's start. Today, ganito pala. For a week, di ba, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, yung Monday natin, parating math yun. Then, yung Wednesday natin, parating physics yun. And yung Friday, it's stat so that we can cover a lot na. Okay, sige, let's go. Here we go. So, yung first lesson ng grade 9, and I believe na, kasi this is quite a leap to what you've been commonly doing, no? This is something different. That's why I want to be able to cover this for us. Teka lang, ha? Okay, sige, let's start. So, let's start with analytic geometry, no? Pero before that, let's just start with some fundamental concepts muna. Okay? So, let's skip that. So, the point is the most fundamental object in geometry. It represents an exact location in a space. So, example yan, point A is a point, no? It's a location in the space, no? Also with point L and point F. How do we name them? We just simply say point A, point L, point F. Yan, that's the only way to name them. Next is line. Line is defined as a line of points. So it's a collection of points that extends indefinitely in two directions. How do we name it? So as shown here, pwedeng ito lang, no? Italicized letter, right? Line M. Or we can choose the two endpoints, quote unquote, and draw a line there on top, okay? Next, yung planes naman. A plane is a flat surface that extends indefinitely in all directions. So, as we see here, ayan, points A, B, and C. A, B, and C define our plane, no? If another good representation of this is a sheet of paper, no? It looks like a plane, right? Okay. Next is, it can also be named by using the capital letter, no? Here, plane M. Okay? Then, next is a ray, a line that has one defined endpoint, and it extends indefinitely in only one direction. So, it starts here, it's defined, and it extends up to there endlessly, right? We can call it ray AB, or we just simply write this notation on top, AB. Okay? Next, a line segment is a part of a line that is defined by two endpoints, right? Like this. Ayan. So, see from here, this is the line AB. Then we take a line segment AB. There. So, it can be written as this. Simply say line segment AB or this one. With that notation on top. Next is an angle. I'm sure you've heard of this term na naman. An angle is the figure formed by two rays. See? Example, O to B, then O to A. Right? Those are our rays. The measure of this angle is most commonly called theta, as we see here. Then measure is in degrees. Okay. Next, how do we name our angle? we make sure that the vertex is at the middle, no? Look at this. Let me erase the ink first. Start with BOA, right? BOA. Yan. Parang ganon. Paikot siya, no? Bale. Or we can write it as AOB. Okay? Sige. Hope that's straightforward. Parallel lines. Lines are parallel if you don't have to worry about this term right now, as long as they don't intersect. They don't meet at any point. They're parallel, no? There, that's the symbol to denote them. So if you're going to draw them, make sure to put these arrows on the lines so that your viewers would understand that these lines are indeed parallel. Okay. Then lastly, perpendicular lines. A line is perpendicular if another line if the two lines intersect at a right angle. A right angle is an angle that has a measure of 90 degrees. So if L1 is perpendicular to L2, then there we go. Perpendicular, right angle. Then when writing it, this is one of the most common symbols to denote it. Pero when you're drawing it, make sure to put this sign, no? This side, kasi it's the only way to denote if your drawing is really really a right angle, ano? Okay? So, sige. Gets ba, guys? You get it? Wait lang, ha? Gets naman? Gets naman? Really, you can... Tell me. Do you get it?
Yes, po.
Okay, sige. That's good. Ayun na, pag tinatanong ko kayo if gets nyo, sagutin nyo ako, ah. Okay. para naman we're gonna be smooth. And so that I can address whatever is wrong. Okay? So, sige. Let's have a concept check, no? I'll do this one first kasi I'll let you do something naman later. Sige, just an example, no? If you could look at the whiteboard, do you see the whiteboard? Do you see the whiteboard? Guys, do you see the whiteboard? Do you see the whiteboard?
Yes.
Okay, yun. Sige. So, first of all, let's try this, no? You can see the given naman sa slides. I've taught you how to do it naman sa walkthrough. So, I hope just go over there. First, draw a quadrilateral ABCD. So, this one we didn't discuss, no? Pero, how do we draw one? Just simply draw any quadrilateral. Maybe a square, maybe a rectangle. Yan. Let's try one. Like that. This one is designed to test how well you understand the concepts kanina, no? A, B, C, D. So, as you can see, paikot siya. Right? A, B, C, D. Okay? Or it can also be written as like this, if you want. A, B, C, D. As long as paikot siya, no? You can also start from the bottom, left. Oh. A, B, C, D. So, it varies, no? In these kinds of tasks, there's no one answer only. Like this. So, A, B, C, D. There. Depends on you. So, I'll choose this. Okay? Mark a point P on the exterior of quadrilateral ABCD. So, if it's on the exterior, I'll draw it here. Like that. I'll say it to be like that. So, next, draw segment AP. Segment, take note, ha. I'll mark the point here. Segment. So, that's it. I don't have to put two arrows, right? Next, draw a line L. Take note, a line L parallel to AP. So, I can choose anywhere. I'll say I'll say here. I'll say here. Or here na lang. Sige. Sorry for my drawing. Not that good. Okay. There. To mark that it's really parallel, I put this. Draw a line M perpendicular to line L passing through C. Okay. So we draw a line. Oh, I forgot to label. This one is line L. Draw a line M perpendicular to line L passing through C. Perpendicular to this, perpendicular to line L, then passing through C. This one is C, right? So, we draw it like this. Yan. Perpendicular. So, we put our right angle there. Line M. So, we put the label there. Mark the intersection of M and L as Q. Okay. Q. This one is called Q, sabi sa problem, no? And lastly, draw and label angle QDB. So, let's see. QDB. Pangit ang drawing ko. QDB. Then you also extend this here. Then, we mark the angle as like that and put theta. You guys get it? Clear naman?
Clear naman po.
Okay, sige. Let's see if you really get our concepts, no? I'll give you 2 minutes or 3 minutes, sige. I'll give you 3 minutes. I want you to do this and send a picture of it when you're done, okay? Send a picture of it to the GC. Okay, let's go. I'll just move on to the slides. There we go. Sige, 3 minutes. Okay, sige, let me go over, Sige, let's look at each of your answers kasi it can really vary, no? Sige, let's go, wait for a while. Okay, sige. Let's see.
May nakita na akong mali ko.
Ayan.
Like, number 1 pa lang mali na.
Sige, let's go. It's fine. Sige. I'll give 2 minutes for everyone to catch up pa. Sige, I'll comment muna on Erin's work.
Baka mali po ako Okay
uh,
lang.
you forgot yung, sige, let's see, pareho tayo ng drawing halos. Okay. Okay, sige. Okay.
Ano ba yan? Okay. Hindi ko nakita number 6.
And double check. Mark a point P in the exterior or interior. Okay,
Ay, sorry po.
Okay, sige.
Hindi nagbabasa.
Sige. Then, itong si Julian. Sige, let's see, Julian, can you send again? I'm sorry.
I'm just redoing kasi nagkamali ako.
Okay. Sige. It's fine. Sige.
Na-OC ako.
Okay,
Tama
Mike.
ka?
Si Mike. Wait, let's see, Tama. Good job, Mike. You're correct. Good job.
Thank you, ha.
Okay, same for how do I read your name? Johan? Or how do you want me to call you?
Abelio.
Abelio. Okay. For Johan, same comment with Erin, no? Okay, point P in the interior or exterior? Redo it again.
Hindi nagbabasa.
Okay, redo
Sorry
it
po.
again. It's okay. Sige.
Hindi pa.
Okay, I'll wait. It's okay.
How do you label? Paano po mag-label ng angle?
Sorry, isa pa, pakiulit.
Mag-label ng angle.
Angle, okay, sige. Look at the board, hindi yan yung sagot. Okay. Angle. So, example, angle, no? Angle.
Wait lang.
Then, lagyan natin ng theta. Yan. Okay, there. Ayan. Yan. Okay. Sige. That would work. Good job. Okay. Sige. This is correct na. Good job. Okay. Sige. Then, sige, yung mga hindi pa nakapag-correct, go lang. Before we move on, para lang, I'm sure na gets nyo. Sige, let's go over everyone's, representing your entire screen. So, sige, let's see. Let's start with kay Mike. Okay. So, ayan. This is good. EFGH. Then, EFGH, no? Then, we draw GP. And we draw a line, C, parallel to this. Ayan, may notation. Good job. Draw a line M, perpendicular to C. Ayan, passing through H. Ayan, there's the notation. Good job. Easy H. Ayan, good job, good job. Ayan, nilabel niya, easy H. Good job. Then, itong um, kay Julian, sige, let's see ulit. P in the interior, G. Next is, what's this? C, okay, C is there. Then, oh, I'm sorry. Sige. Mali pala. I didn't see it correctly. Okay. Mali pa rin ito. Wait, let's see. Easy. Okay. So, if we say na, let's download this. If we say na, ito dapat, passing through H, it should have come from here, no? Yan, there, something like that. Tapos mark it there. Yan line M. Then easy H is there. Okay, sige, that's okay. Then, ayun, kay Johan. Interior, no? Interior yung P. EH. Sige. Ay, sorry. Nag-scroll yung Facebook feed ko. Okay. Any last, dali, bago tayo mag-move on, ang huling hirit to correct their work. Kasi marami pa tayong gagawin. Ayan. Let's see. Easy H. There. This is correct. Good job. Ayan. Correct to. Ayan. It's okay. Yan talaga. Pag ayaw niya ng drawing niya, syempre, okay lang na ulitin. No problem. Ayan. Kaya natin yan discuss kasi we'll be doing a lot of drawings dito. Ngayong grade 9 kayo, lalo na sa first quarter nyo. Sige, let's go back to our slideshow. Okay, so that's the first part of our lesson today. Next. Let's go na agad. I think you've discussed this in your grade 8. Pero the midpoint of a line segment with points x1, y1 and point 2 as x2, y2 is given by this, no? X1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2 as the y coordinate. Bale, we just take the average of our coordinates. Add lang to, and divide by 2. Add lang ito, then divide by 2. Okay? Sige. Example, points A and B are on the Cartesian plane such that A is defined by 1, 5 and B is defined by 7, negative 1. Find the midpoint of line segment AB. So, sige. It's just as simple as this. Look, I can do it in one writing. Add the x coordinates. So, 1 plus 7 over 2, it's 4. We add the y coordinates. 5 plus negative 1 over 2. So, it's 4, 2. That's our midpoint. Okay. Sige nga, let's see if you can do this. Kasi it's my first time teaching you so I have to assess you rin on how well you can do these stuff, no? Sige, let's try this, no? Try nyo pala. Show me your working sa paper nyo. Okay? Like, take a picture of your paper, then send it to the GC. I'll give you guys 3 minutes again. Sige, let's go. If you need help, go lang. Just type in the group chat, or you can call me out directly.
Isa-send po yung answers sa GC.
Yeah, go. Send your answers at GC. Mike, read the question na lang ulit, no? Find the value of x plus y. Pero tama naman yan. Good job. Good job, good job. Oh, sige. Let's see, sige, let's wait for another minute for the others. And we'll go over what you did. Okay. Sige. Y equals negative 8. Okay, sige. Let's go over what we did para lang we see. Let's present our entire screen. Teka. There we go. Okay, so sige, let's see, let's go over with this muna. Ayan, see, the key is to form the equation, no? So the midpoint is 1 and 1. So the x and y coordinates of our midpoint is 1 and 1. So we just simply equate, no? X plus 7 over 2 equals 1, and 5 plus y over 2 equals 1. Then cross multiply, no? Or multiply 2 to both sides. X plus 7 equals 2, 5 plus y equals 2. Then transposing to the other side, we get 2 minus 7 or negative 5. Then, or kaya, 2 minus 5, negative 3. Negative 5 minus 3 equals negative 8. Good job. Next, ito. Okay. Kay Julian, okay. Sige, nakuha mo naman yung concept. Pero, take note, siguro careless lang. You forgot to multiply yung 2, no? Kapag solve tayo ng equations, pag merong nasa denominator, we multiply both sides by 2 to cancel out the denominators. So, dapat x plus 7 equals 2 and 5 plus y equals 2, no? X equals, then simplifying negative 5 and negative 3. Then we add them, it's negative 8. It's okay. Don't worry pag nagkamali, it's just fine. At least we learn, no? Okay, sige. Tama na ito. I'll skip this. Ito rin. This is correct. Okay. Sige. Okay. Okay, sige. I get naman what you did here. Kaya lang, ingat lang next time, Johan. Kasi you might not have time to draw something like this, no? So, it's good na, you had a visual method, pero if you can do the equation form, it's much better. Pero, nevertheless, it's correct. Okay, let's move on to our next concept. Distance formula. The distance formula between points P1, X1, Y1, and P2, X2, Y2 is given by this one. x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay. Let's look at the board, no? I forgot to include the PowerPoint, so let's just look at the board. Here. So, sige. Let's say distance between points A and B. A, 3, 4, and B, 7, 5. So, the distance is, ano sabi dyan? x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay, that doesn't really matter, no? What matters is, sige, let's see x1 minus x2, 3 minus 7 squared plus 4 minus 5 squared equals square root ng negative 4 squared plus negative 1 squared. 16 plus 1 equals square root ng 17. What matters is yung example. Ito yung inuna natin sa x coordinate. Dapat yun din yung unahin natin sa y coordinate, no? I can also do it this way. Distance equals square root ng 7 minus 3 squared plus 5 minus 4 squared. So, bale, I took this muna. Then, ito rin. Ganon. So, you don't really have to memorize yung order, no? The specific order, pero basta, consistent ka, no? So, simplifying this, 16 plus 1, equal to 17. You guys get it naman? Gets naman?
Yeah.
Okay, sige. As an exercise, okay, I want you to find the distance between the points 9, 10, and negative 3, negative 4. Sige, go. Distance, no? A, B. I'll give you 2 minutes lang. Ganun lang ulit, send lang sa GC, no? Kailangan. Sorry. Okay. Ano? Okay. Sige. Okay, sige. Okay. Sige, let's just wait for a while now. Erin, double check. Double check. Baka na-careless ka. Pero sige, let's start present now your entire screen. Sige, ako muna. Okay. So, distance between A and B. So, I'll just do what I was doing kanina. 9 minus negative 3 squared plus 10 minus negative 4 squared. Ayan na. Erin, ingat next time sa negative signs. Okay? Equals square root ng 12 squared plus 14 squared equals square root ng 144 plus 196 equals square root ng 340. Ito, pag simplify natin to square root of 85. Kasi this one is 4 times 85, no? We can pull this out. Sa mga hindi nag-simplify, that's fine. Pero, ayan, let's see our answers, ha? Ayun, Erin, ingat lang sa negative signs, pero you got the concept correctly. Johan, good job. Julian, ayun, simplify na ng next time, pero correct. And lastly, kay Mike, yeah, correct din. Good job. Okay, sige. Let's move on to the next topic na. This is one of the two main topics we'll be having today, no? This is mostly your first quarter na sa Pisay. Okay, sige. Circles, no? Circles. A circle is the set of, let me go to the slides. A circle is the set of points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point or the center. Then the center is the point which is equidistant from all points on the circle, of course, no? Then the radius, yung distance na yun, no? Yung same distance na yun from the center to the circumference of the circle. The diameter is the 2 times the radius, and it's the longest chord in the circle. Okay? The circumference of a circle is 2 pi r or pi d, and its area is pi r squared or pi d squared over 4. Ngayon, sige, let's have a bit of derivation. A circle is defined as a set of all points P, X, Y whose distance from its center C, H, K is R. The equation of a circle with radius R and center H, K is, so, sige, is this one. So, how did it become like that? Just for a bit of, background, that's why we've been studying yung distance formula, no? Sige, let's see. So, let's say na, have you done graphing last year sa math class nyo? Or hindi pa? Like, graphing ng mga lines or ng mga quadratic equation. Have you done that? Or hindi pa?
Lines, yes, circles, hindi pa.
Okay, sige. Pero basta, ayan, you have an idea kahit pa paano on how to graph. Sige. So, sige, now I know HK and XY. Ito yung, yun na, expect na ngayong grade 9, di ba, mas maraming algebra, no? Mas maraming ganon. Promise, mas maraming ganon. Okay? So, XY are distance formula. X minus H squared plus Y minus K squared. We just square both sides, and there we go. Cool, di ba? Yan na. So, that's just a simple derivation. Sige. Ngayon, let's just go to some examples, no? I'm going to start this off muna. Look at the slide na lang muna. Sige, let me switch. A circle is defined by the equation x squared plus y squared equals 25. What are the coordinates of the center of the circle? Diba? Ang center natin is it's like this. Let's write x squared plus y squared equals 25. Center. Diba ang center is x minus h and y minus k, no? I mean, hk, diba? From our equation of the circle. Kaya lang, from here, we see na walang nasa tabi ng x and y. So it means na 0 to pareho. So that's our center, 0, 0. Or the origin. Next. What's the radius? R squared, right? R squared equals 25. We take the square root of both sides. R equals 5. Ngayon, I'm going to graph the circle. So, let's say na 0, 0 ito. So, dahil circle siya, the best way to graph it is start with the radii, no, sa axis. So, 0, 0 to 5, 0. Kasi ang radius niya ay 5. 0, 0 to 0, 5. And 0, negative 5. And 5, negative 5, 0. We draw a circle that can accompany everything. Pangit ang drawing ko. There we go. That's how we circle. Okay? And ano yung last na tanong? What are the coordinates of the x and y intercepts, if there are any? Have you guys discussed what our x and y intercepts are nung grade 8 kayo? Or hindi pa? Have you guys discussed what are x and y intercepts when you were in grade 8?
Na-discuss na po.
Okay, sige. So, ayan. Examining dito sa graph, x-intercepts ay whatever intersects the x-axis. So, we have negative 5 and 5 as the x-intercept, and the y-intercepts as this. Negative 5 and 5 also. Okay. Sige. So, see, yung mga dinidiscuss nyo sa lines, it doesn't only apply sa lines, no? It applies to everything, every kind of function. There we go. Better version lang. Okay, sige. This one naman. Wait lang, for a while. I'll just check something. I'll let you do something din naman. Teka lang ha. Okay, sige. Teka, excuse me. There we go. Let's try this out naman, no? I don't know if na-discuss na to sa inyo. Ay, malamang hindi pa, no? Yung translation. Have you guys discussed yung parang pag-translate ng mga function or hindi pa? Like some...
Parang di pa po.
Parang di pa, no? Okay, sige. Sayang, no? Sige. Anong oras na ba? 10:48. Okay, I have more than 1 hour naman. Sige, kaya to. Okay. Important yung concept na yun eh. Kaya, sige. Sige. Okay. Ito yung center, di ba? 0, 0. The center was moved 3 units to the left and 2 units up. Okay, let's exactly do that. Look at the whiteboard na lang pala, guys. Look at the whiteboard. Let's exactly do that, no? 3 units to the left and 2 units up. 1, 2, 3. Then 2 units up. 1, 2. Right, 1, 2. Ayan. So, our new center is here. What is the equation of the circle described? Did the radius of the circle change? No. We just have a new center. So, let's do that. X minus negative 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals to, radius is 5, no? So, we just copy it, 25. Yan. So, simplifying, x plus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 25. Gets ba, guys? You get it naman?
Yes po.
Okay, sige. Next. What is the radius of this? Okay, teka ha. Nakuha na natin yung center. Then, we have the equation of the circle. Then, what is the radius of this circle, di ba? Same radius lang. R squared equals 25. R equals 5. Graph this circle. So, this is what we do. Ang hirap siya i-graph, di ba? So, ganun lang din gagawin ko. I'll move 5 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, that's mga 1, 2, 3. Negative 3, no? I'll move 5 units to the right. So, that's 2. Diba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. I'll move 5 units to the left. So, that's negative 8. And 5 units upward. So, that's 7. Something like this. Ayun. Ayan. Sa graphing, you don't have to be accurate, okay? Doesn't matter. So, yan. Our graph should look something like that. Ngayon, look at the last one. What are the x and y intercepts of this circle? This one's a bit hard. So, we have this equation, di ba? X plus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 25. Pag x-intercept, ang naka-0 ay yung y-coordinate. Tama? So, we simply do that. 0, substitute 0. So, 0 minus 2, negative 2 squared, that is plus 4, no? Equals 25. X plus 3 squared equals 21. Na-try nyo na ba ito nakapag-completing the square na ba kayo nung grade 8 or hindi pa?
Meron na po nun.
Meron na. Okay, so kaya nyo na to. So, we take the square root of both sides. X plus 3 equals, dahil dahil dalawa siya, no? Plus minus square root of 21. So, x equals negative 3 plus minus square root of 21. Those are our x-intercepts, no? So, ayan. Sa grade 9, expect na maraming mga ganyang numbers, no? Yung medyo pangit. Next, sa y-intercept naman, ang naka-0 naman ay yung x-coordinate, no? Nine plus y minus 2 squared equals 25. Y minus 2 squared equals 16. Y minus 2 equals plus minus 4. So, y equals 2 plus minus 4, which is either negative 2 or 6. So, yan. Those are our x and y intercepts. There we go. Yan. Okay? Gets ba, guys?
Medyo mabagal po, pero get naman so far.
Sige. It's okay. We'll do something like this. I'm sorry na medyo binibilisan ko kasi yeah, we have a lot pa. Okay, sige. Ito naman. Teka, wait lang Okay, ayan. Okay. Sige, let's try this A circle is defined by this equation. Okay? Ito na. This is where we use our completing the square. So, obviously, we need to get the equation of our circle first. Look at the given muna. X squared plus 4x x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y plus 5. So, yan, di ba? Parang napaka-complicated ng expression. Pero, actually, circle yan. Bakit? look at closely what I'm going to do, ah. It's just completing the square. Paano? Dahil nakapag-complete the square na kayo dati, dapat medyo madali na to sa inyo. I'm going to group the same variables. Tapos itong, ilipat ko sa kabila. Sige. Okay, test lang. Sige, what will I add sa right side para maging para maging complete to, para maging completing the square siya. Dito muna sa x squared plus 4x, what do I add? Di ba may na-add tayo? Oh, sige. No. Before we go to this, sige. Eto. Just a couple of exercises. Complete the square, Complete the square. Solve the quadratic equation by completing the square. X squared plus 10x minus 24 equals 0. X squared minus 6x plus 8 equals 0. Sige nga guys, solve this by completing the square. I want to see muna your skill. Okay? Sige, let's go. I'll give you 3 minutes. Sige. Okay. Sige, I'll wait for a while. sabi ko, sabi ko, solve by completing the square. Okay, sige, it's fine. Ganto. Sige, I'll wait for 1 minute. Ganto. Sige. Um, paano kaya to? Okay. Sige. Gagawin ko siya. Yun pala guys pag nagsosolve, you can always help each other pala. It's okay. You don't have to solve individually parate. You can use the group chat para, discuss kayo kahit pa paano. It's okay. Let's help each other, no? It's fine. Sige, let's see. Teka. Just fix my camera ng konti.
Kuya, di ba yung dalawang examples lang naman sa whiteboard yung i-solve mo na, di ba?
Yeah. Ito muna.
Okay.
Hindi to circle, Ano to? Quadratic equations to. I'm just testing your skill. Solve the quadratic equations by completing the square. Okay, yun lang. Teka lang, CR lang ako. Tama yung... Teka, It's okay. Sige, tara, let's discuss. Sige, let's have a refresher muna ng konti. Pero tama yung ginawa ni Erin. Good job. Tama yung ginawa ni Erin. Okay, sige. Let's have a bit of a refresher, no? Pero tama yung ginawa ni Erin, basically. Galing. Good job. Okay, sige. Ganto. Let's look at the board, So, paano mag-completing the square? Kasi important to. Actually, hindi lang ngayon important yan. Hanggang grade 10 kayo, grade 11, grade 12, gagamitin nyo siya. Hindi lang siya pang quadratic equation, na remember that. Sige, ito muna tayo sa baba kasi mas malapit tignan. Okay, sige, paano mag-completing the square? So, una-una, lipat ko to sa kabila. Alright? Next, let's put a little bit more space. Ano yung i-add ko dito para maging perfect square siya? Ano yon? Oh, 1/2 nito squared. Kaya lang, dahil nag-add tayo dito, kailangan ko rin tong lagyan nun. X squared minus 6x plus 9 equals to negative 8 plus 9, which is equal to 1. Ito ay x minus 3 squared. Tama? Equals to 1. Take the square root of both sides. X minus 3 equals plus minus 1. X equals 3 plus minus 1. Which is 4 and 2. Ayan, nag-gets ba guys? Do you remember na? Or di pa? Oh, gets ba guys? Nag-gets ba? Teka, ayusin natin yung...
Naaalala ko na po, Medj.
Okay, sige, that's good. Ayan ha. Ganon. Sige, let's do this naman. X squared plus 10x minus 24. X squared plus 10x equals 24. Plus 10 over 2 squared plus 10 over 2 squared. X squared plus 10x plus 25 equals 24 plus 25, which is equal to 49. Then, simplifying, x plus 5 squared equals to 7. Taking the... 49 pa pala to. Taking the square root of both sides, x plus 5 equals plus minus 7. X equals negative 12 or 2. Ayan. Gets na? Excuse me. Gets na? Ayan, gets na?
Yes na po.
Okay, sige. Para ma-practice kayo, I'll give you something na lang later. So we have to move on. Sige, balik tayo dito sa circle natin. No? Balik tayo sa problem natin kanina. Important kasi to. It's okay. Don't worry, kasi next week, sa Monday, kasi Monday, no? Mat tayo ulit. We'll be answering a problem set, no? About all of this, what we discussed today. So it's okay, para mas guided tayo. A circle is defined by this. Sige, let's go. X squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y plus 5 plus 0. Ngayon, gawin natin yung completing the square. Kaya lang, ngayon, dalawa lang yung variable. Same process, pero dalawa lang yung variable. What do I mean? X squared plus 4x plus blank plus y squared plus 6y plus blank equals negative 5. Ano i-add ko? 4 over 2 squared. Dito, 6 over 2 squared. Ganun din sa kabila. Simplifying. Ay, minus pala to. Sorry. Minus. Equals negative 5 plus 2 squared plus 4 plus 3 squared plus 9. Simplifying. Yan na. Back to our topic. No? Circle na siya. Diba? Galing. So, ano yung center raw ng circle? Ano raw yung center ng circle? Negative 2, 3. Next. Ano raw yung area ng circle? Ano raw yung area ng circle, no? Ano yung radius? 2 square root of 2. Pi r squared. Tapos yung meron na kasulat dyan, di ba? In terms of pi. Ito na yung sabihin yan. Don't convert to 3.14. Yun lang yun. Pi r squared equals pi times 2 square root of 2 squared is 8. 8 pi. Yan ang area. Ano, yan, simple lang, di ba? Nagets, guys? Or di masyado? Okay. Ano, guys? Do you get it?
Kuya, paulit-ulit nung part na nag-aano na ng radius.
Okay, sige.
Nawala ako doon.
Okay. Sige, radius. Sige, let's get the radius, no? Di ba? Ang equation natin ng circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, di ba? So, yun lang. Bale, ito, di ba, equal r squared. So, yun. Equate lang natin si r squared doon. R squared equals 8. We take the square root of both sides. R equals to 2 square root of 2. Yan. Then, we take the area of the circle. Pi r squared equals to pi times 8. Kasi, ang square nito 8, di ba? 8 pi. Yan, gets na?
Yes, po.
Okay. Sige. Ngayon, before we move on to the last topic for today, sige, try nyo to. Sige, go. Look at your, look at the PowerPoint na lang. 1 minute lang to. Dali lang to.
Ha?
Ito to. Look at the PowerPoint na lang. 1 minute lang. Sige. Send na lang sa GC once you have the answer. Teka. Mike's, check mo yung, but check the equation ulit. Ba't walang squared, no? Yun lang. Tama naman. You just forgot to include yung exponent for the x squared, diba? X plus 3 squared, tsaka y minus 5 squared. Pero nevertheless, you got the concept correctly.
Sige ha.
45 minutes left. Sige. Okay, sige, let's see.
Sorry pa, ulitin ko na lang po ulit.
Actually, wow, okay. Wag mo na ulitin. Ayun lang naman eh.
Bakit po?
Kasi reduce equals 4. Actually, yung in-expand mo pa talaga, no? Kahit hindi na. Hindi, kasi nakita ko in-expand mo pa eh, no? Dapat okay lang na hindi in-expand. Pero it's okay. Huwag mo na ulitin kasi equals 4, di ba? Square mo lang yun.
Yes,
Okay na. Okay na yan. Sige, that's good. Kahit di mo na expand, pero
Sige po.
that's good. Okay.
So, bale, inano ko lang siya. So, funny.
Yan, okay. Okay lang yung actually, hindi natin kailangan i-expand yung, I mean, at least for what I'm teaching you right now, I don't require you to expand yung, di ba parang in-expand mo yung equation, no? It's okay. Sa, in our lesson at least, hindi naman kailangan. Pero it's good. Tama yan. Kasi you're eventually gonna do that din minsan, no? Sige. Ang tawag sa ginawa mo, Erin, that is the general form of the circle equation, no? Okay. Yun lang. Tama si Julian. Sige. Sige, let's just wait for Johan. Ayan. Okay, sige. Yan, let's go. Let's move on to the next item. Ilang minutes na ba tayo? Teka na, let's see. Ilang minutes na tayo? 45 minutes. Okay. Sige. Ito, I'll give you 5 minutes for this one. Sige. Let's do this together na lang. Sorry. Ito, diba? Okay. Yan. Sige nga. Ayan ha. Ito. Wait. Let's look at this problem. Yan. Take note na equal yan ha. Equal. Hindi minus yan. Okay. Yun lang. Sige nga. Let's go. I'll give you 5 minutes for this. Yan. Johan, ano na lang yung area ng circle? Sabi ko, di ba, find the center and find the area. Yan. Good job. Good job, Mike. Tama yan. Yan. Okay. Sige, let's just wait for the others. Para I'm sure na gets nyo na yung part na to. Oh! Ano? Bakit? Ba't ako magpapatay? Okay. Sige.
Kuya, nasan ko na po akin? Nasa taas.
Ay, sorry. Ay, hindi ko nakita. Okay. Sige, let's see Negative. Okay, sorry. Di ko nakita yun. Sige, let's go over. 6, -4, 6. -4, 6, -4, 6, negative. Sige. Okay. Julian, ito. Sige. Let's see, Teka. For your, yes, you got the equation of the circle correctly. Pero, let's go back sa center. Yung center, di ba, yan, +4 yung nandyan. Dapat kabaliktaran niya. So, di ba yan? Instead na 4, -6, dapat -4, 6. Yun. Pero nevertheless, you got it correctly naman. So, sige. Let me discuss a bit before we move on to our last topic for today. Sige. To. X squared plus y squared equals 12y minus 8x plus 14. So, inusog ko lahat.
Kuya, nakamute po kayo.
Ay, nakamute ako. Sorry. Sorry. Isa pa. So, balik tayo kay Julian. Julian, tama naman yung concept, pero dapat Di ba, center for negative 6. Dapat kabaliktaran niya. Di ba, we have this na x plus 4 tsaka y minus 6, di ba? Dapat, instead na 4 negative 6, dapat negative 4, 6. Okay? Sige. Let's look at this, let me discuss. So, x squared plus y squared equals 12y minus 8x plus 14. So, ayan, we move everything, lahat ng mga may variable sa left. We group them. Tapos, we add this, no? To complete the square. Equals 14 plus 16 plus 36. Then, simplify everything, we'll get to here. Yung center, di ba, plus 4 yan, tsaka negative 6. Kabaliktaran lang nun. So, negative 4 and 6. Then, yung area is this one, no? 66pi. Okay? Sige. Gets naman, guys. Well, you got it correctly naman, no? Okay, that's good. Sige. Now, we're on to the last topic for today. Right triangle, trigonometry. Let's look at the slides na lang ulit. So, right triangle, trigonometry. So, ngayon, trigonometry na tayo, no? This one is very new for you, I'm sure. Pero important na ma-master nyo to kasi lahat ng susunod natin sa physics, especially, kailangan ito. Okay? Let's see. Right triangle muna. Definition, it's one of its angles measuring 90 degrees. Okay? Next. Okay, may hypotenuse tayo. This is the longest side. Yun ang tawag natin. We have this theta. Angle called theta. Okay? Angle with measure theta. Yung opposite side sa kanya ay yung nasa tapat niya. As in, directly opposite. And yung adjacent na nakasulat dito is yung nandito sa tabi niya talaga. Which is this one. So, may relationship tong mga sides na to. And yung mga tawag doon ay trigonometric identities or ratios. And it can be remembered by this mnemonic. SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. Ano sabihin nun? Sin theta is equals opposite over hypotenuse. OH. Sabihin, pag kinuha natin yung sin theta, it's opposite over hypotenuse. Pag naman cosine theta, adjacent over hypotenuse. Pag TOA, tangent, opposite over adjacent. Ayan na. SOHCAHTOA. Kaya lang, we'll have examples naman, don't worry. Inverse trigonometric identity. Ano sabihin yan? Diba, meron tayong sin theta. Example, binigay lang sa atin yung sides. Kailangan natin yung angle. We'll see later kung paano gamitin to. Okay? Basta yung inverse is just yung kabaliktaran nung kanina. Diba? Sin equals opposite over hypotenuse. Yung angle nun is just the inverse. No? We'll see examples para mas maintindihan nyo. So, sige. Ito muna. Ito look. Meron kayo cycle, guys? Okay, meron. Okay, good job. Okay. Sige, let's see, sin theta. So, sige. Actually, dahil given naman natin sides, hindi naman kailangan. Pero sige, let's just use the calculator for sake of demonstration, no? Dito lang yung part sa math na pwede kayong gumamit ng calculus. Okay. So, sige, let's see. I'll draw the triangle here. 10, 6, 8, theta. Sin theta. Let's see, sin theta. Sin theta. So, katowa, di ba? So, katowa. Dali lang to, guys. Don't worry. Sine theta. Opposite over hypotenuse. Pag-calculate natin to, 0.8. Cosine theta. Adjacent over hypotenuse. 0.6. OA. Tangent theta. Opposite over adjacent. 8 over 6. Pag kinalculate natin yan, 4 thirds, 1.333. Nagets ba, guys? Nagets?
Yes po.
Okay, sige. Itong inverse naman, itong inverse. So, paano gumagana yon, no? Sige. Hindi natin alam yung measure nito, di ba? Hindi natin alam yung measure niyan eh. So, sige. Let's go to sine inverse. Ay, by the way, nahanap nyo naman sa calcu nyo kung ano yung sine, cosine, and tangent. Nakakita naman kung ano yon.
Yes po.
Okay, sige. Next. Inverse naman, inverse. Okay. Di ba meron kong cycle? How do you get the inverse? Ito yung cycle ko. Shift muna, no? Shift. Tapos, makikita naman dyan. Pag shift, di ba, yellow. Ito, sine negative 1. Or kaya, cosine negative 1. Or kaya, tangent negative 1. Ayan, shift. Tapos, get nyo yung kailangan nyo. Okay. Inverse sine and para naman inverse sine. Sige nga, pasok nyo sa calcu. Tell me what you get, ha? Sine inverse ng theta. Rather, hinatag yung theta, di ba? Theta equal, oh no. Sige, ano kaya to? Okay, sige. We're almost done na naman. Kasi 25 minutes na lang. I'm going to upload this naman sa YouTube. Is it okay? I'm uploading this naman sa YouTube. It's okay. And if may tanong ka, just ask me. Okay, sige. Okay, sige. Let's go back, ha. Theta, ito. We can get it in 3 ways. Sine inverse. So, pareho lang siya. Di ba yan? OH. Opposite over hypotenuse. Tell me nga what you'll get. Type nyo sa group chat, ha. Cosine negative 1. Ito. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent theta. Opposite over adjacent. Sige guys, can you tell me, type nyo sa group chat what you'll get, ha? Try nyo yan. Yan, tama. Actually, lahat to, yan yung sagot, 53.130, no? Always 3 decimal places tayo pag we solve problems like this. Tama, lahat yan, ito yung makukuha. Kasi, we're just referring to the same angle, di ba? Yan. Ito lang yung refer natin. Um, Yun, inverse. So to get this, we can either use inverse sine, inverse cosine, inverse tangent. Okay? Ngayon, meron akong papagawa sa inyo. I'll give you 3 minutes for this kasi dapat madali lang to. Ito. Look at the PowerPoint, no? Look at the PowerPoint. Yan. Yan, di ba? Sine 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Sige nga. Ano yung 90 minus theta dito sa triangle natin? What angle am I referring to? The 90 minus theta. What angle am I referring to? Dito sa triangle natin. 90 to ah. Okay, sige, ganito. Di ba, we know that alam niyo naman siguro na ang sum ng angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, di ba? Gets naman yon?
Yes po.
Okay, sige. Ngayon, ano yung measure ng angle na to? Ano to? What's this? No, what's this? We all know na yung question mark natin is 180 minus the sum of this. Ayun yun. So, yan yung 90 minus theta na pinapagawa ko sa inyo. You get it? Nagets yun, guys? Nagets yun, guys? Okay naman.
Ay, kuya, paulit-ulit.
Sige, isa pa. Sige, yan na, pag di gets, sabihin nyo lang sa akin, it's fine. Di ba, ang pinapagawa ko sa inyo, di ba, if you look at the PowerPoint, it's mga sine 90 minus theta, ganon, cosine 90 minus theta, and so on and so forth. Ngayon, ano to? What's this? Ano angle yun dito sa triangle natin? Let's examine this. Ano ba to? What's this? Okay, examine natin to. We know that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. Kailangan natin kunin yung measure nito. Which is just minus this. Alam nating 90 degrees ito.
Yes.
And ito is measured theta.
Pwede na siguro. Pwede. Ang share na lang mag-ano. Ay, ito.
So
Fix the ano na.
if we get yung sagot, it's equal to 90
Ano yung schedule
minus
natin
theta.
ngayon na,
Right?
Kung gusto nyo marami tayong
Ayan, it's 90 minus theta, di ba? So in fact, what I'm asking you to get is ito. Right? Yung mga sine nito, cosine nito, and tangent nito. Nagets ba, guys?
Yes na po.
Okay, sige. Ayun, look at the PowerPoint na lang ulit. Gawin niyo yung pinapagawa ko. Okay? Sige, let's go. Ayan. Look at the PowerPoint na lang ulit. I'll give you 2 minutes for this. Type din na lang sa GC natin, sa Facebook. Yan. So, pag dito, we should learn how to think out of the box paminsan-minsan. Kasi, yeah, important siya, no? You'll see as we go over our sessions, marami pang ganito na klaseng problema. Sige, we'll see. Yung problem solving ng nito sa problem set na lang, it's fine. Sige. Dapat maabot natin yun yan. Sige, sige. And after this, it's this. 15 minutes.
Kuya, hindi po gumagana yung may, parang -1 sa calculator ko. Parang kapag, like, lumalabas lang error.
Can you take a picture of what you inputted sa sa CalQ? Sige, take a picture, send mo sa group chat natin. Hindi. Okay. Okay. Ganto. Hindi. Ganito. Dapat, Taga, let's see. Okay. Ganito gamitin yan. Hindi natin, ang ini-enter dyan, yung, paano kaya to? Sige. Ganito. Skip nyo muna yung D to F. Sorry, I think that's my mistake. Dapat di ko muna introduce yan. Skip nyo muna. Skip that first. Yung A to C na lang. Sa next part natin yan rin. Okay. Sige. Ulitin ko Hindi niya yata na-gets yung hindi niya na-gets yung Teka. Okay. Hindi natin ilalagay sa calcu. Sige, type ko muna. Hindi natin ilalagay sa calcu yung ginagawa natin. Kasi, look at the PowerPoint Look at the PowerPoint. What we are asked to get is the sine of this. Cosine of this. Ito yung 90 minus theta, di ba? Yun yung 90 minus theta. So, that's what we're supposed to get. Ano yung sine nito? Ano yung cosine nito? Ano yung sine nito? Ano yung cosine nito? Ano yung tangent nito? Right? Kumbaga, ina-apply lang natin yung kanina. Di ba kanina ito yon. Ngayon, ito naman. Okay? Yan. Sige, let's try ulit. Mas magandang ituro to ng personal. Kaya sayang. Okay, sige. Go. So, bale, if we're going to look at this angle naman, ano yung opposite niya? Ito yung opposite sa kanya, di ba? Yung 6. Ito yung adjacent sa kanya. Yung 8. Ito yung hypotenuse pa rin. Alright? Sige. Try ulit natin. Okay. Sige. Ito, I'll discuss, Hindi na gets. Okay, sige. Ganito. So, sabi ko, let's look at the whiteboard. So, sabi ko kanina, ayan, ito dapat. Yan, yun dapat. Okay, pero sige, let's look at the whiteboard, Ganto. Um, kasi ang ginawa nyo, pinasok nyo dito. No. Pala, di ko na kayo pinagamit ng calcio, no? Sorry, mali. Nalito tuloy kayo. Ang ganito. Ang pinapakuha ko, yung sine ng angle nito, yung cosine ng angle nito, yung tangent ng angle na ito. Ito yung opposite niya. Ito yung adjacent niya. So, let's go, Sine 90 minus theta, opposite over adjacent. Ay, opposite over hypotenuse. 0.6. Yun, ganun dapat. Ang cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. 0.8. Ang tangent is opposite over adjacent. Yan. Nagets ba, guys?
Overthink.
Yun dapat. Sige, it's okay. Mali ko yun. Dapat di ko muna pala kayo pinagamit ng calcio. Wrong. Sorry. It's okay. Ayan. Ito. Sige, I'll give you extend tayo ng 5 minutes, guys. Okay lang? 5 minutes lang. Okay? Kasi we have 5 minutes left na lang eh. Sige, ito. I want you to do this naman. Sige, let's practice more. Okay, para mas clear, I'm gonna label the angles na. 7:24:25. A, B. Okay, I want you to give me the following. Sine A, sine B, cosine A, cosine B, tan A, tan B. Sige, I'm going to give you 2 minutes lang. Teka, ayusin ko yung sulat ko. Saan ba yun? Yan. Two minutes lang. Let's go. Ay, di, sige. After nito, sige, this would be the last for today. Muna. Okay, sige. Ngayon pa itong slides. Pero sige. I want you to do this. Oh guys, ano na, we have 2 minutes left sa session natin. Ano, oh sige guys, ano na time na So, ganito. I'll discuss this na. Sige, let's go. Ay, na pala. Wait, let's see. 0.96.24 over 25. Teka. Let me just do this one. 24. 7 over 25. Cosine A. 7 over 25. 24 over 25. Tangent A. 24 over 7. 7 over 25. 26.28.96. 24 over 7. 2.428 and tangent B 7 divided by 24.24. Tama si Mike's. Good job. Ay, dapat 29 para mali lang input sa Okay, sige. Let's go, ha. Sorry, we need to end na. Ganito. Um, so, tangent A. Ay, sine A. Sine A, opposite so katoa, di ba? So, toa. Sine A. So, opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. 24 over 25 or 0.96. Sine B, opposite over hypotenuse. 7 over 25. Cosine A, adjacent over hypotenuse. 7 over 25. Cosine B, adjacent over hypotenuse. 24 over 25. Tangent A, opposite over adjacent. 24 over 7. Tangent B, opposite over adjacent. 7 over 24. Yan, yun siya. Nag-gets ba, guys?
Bagal lang po talaga ako dito, pero magagets ko naman siya after I do it again.
O, sige. Okay, sige. Ganito. Okay, sige. Ayun, it's already time. Okay. Meron akong homework sa inyo, 5 items. If okay lang naman, if okay lang naman. Sige, kahit ano na lang, just check na lang yung Google Classroom nyo mamaya. Nandun yun.
Sige.
Ayun. Kahit ano na lang, kahit magtulungan kayo, it's fine. Basta, I want to, kasi marami tayong, this one is an extension of what we usually do, no? Sige, ayun, abangan nyo na lang sa Google Classroom niya mamaya. Meron akong 5 items na papasagot sa inyo. Okay? So, next meeting, which is on Monday, we will continue with this one. May problem set akong i-upload. That's what we're going to do next meeting. Okay? O sige guys, yun lang. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.
Bye po, thank you po.
Sige, bye-bye. Thank you rin.